What's up, YouTube? It's Reed with Work Turbo, and I saw a post today by a good friend of mine. Thanks, Dev. Something along the lines of quit overthinking things, just go for it. And that's what we're doing. We're just go for it, because I have way overthought this video for a long time. I needed to get a haircut, needed to get everything set up, needed to get the car all ready. But if you see behind me, yep, there's a Z31 behind us. What is a Z31 doing in our life right now? Well, let's just say that it is a new shop project. Thanks to the help of two really good friends, David and Tom. Y'all guys are awesome. I have acquired the Z31 Turbo, an 86 to be exact, 5-speed, black interior, some red exterior. Anyway, what are we with this absolute gem of an 80s awesome car? Well, let's start by a little backstory. The first turbo car I ever rode in was a Z31. So you might even say that without this car, I may not be here right now doing turbo stuff for y'all guys. Most of you who know me know that we've spent the past, well, as a business, 28 years developing turbos, mainly for the Buick Grand National market and the, we'll just call it the limited drag racing market. So that's kind of been my go-to, but I've been looking for something new and something exciting and something that fits the vibe of my small shop. Well, this car is the first thing that popped into my mind. So we've been looking for one for a while, and we came across this little cream puff. It is absolutely what we need. It's not real pretty to look at, but you know, it's got some potential. What are we going to do with this car? Well, it's pretty simple. This thing is going to basically, and I tell you, when we get it cleaned up, y'all will be pretty impressed. David got the digital dash all working yesterday. We got a lot of good stuff going on. You'll see a pile of parts here in the seat, but it's not without its issues. But back on track. The number one thing we're doing is we're basically going to mimic exactly what we did with the Buick Grand National, but with the Z31 platform. Meaning we're going to offer a solution for a bolt-on turbo that fits the basic upgrades that are available for these cars. It's going to focus on quite a few things. Number one, bringing new technology to this market in the form of a bolt-on turbo. We're going to offer things in different price ranges to help out those on a budget, and also higher end stuff for those that want just the best for their Z. It's that simple. We're going to document everything on these video series with dyno, drag strip, draggy, the pluses, the minuses, the fails, the successes. You're going to ride along with all of it. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and it's finally coming into reality. So I hope you guys hang around and get into it as much as we are. And if you're a Z enthusiast, you're going to really enjoy it. But you know what? If you're a turbo enthusiast, you're going to enjoy it as well, because trust me, the content's going to be very educational, and it will apply across the board to any turbo application: gasoline, diesel, drag race, road race, drift, autocross, street, just fun, and even just basic maintenance and service, and just what you need to know. So that's what I'm going to do. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video, and it'd mean the world to this little business if you were to subscribe to our channel and, you know, help us grow, help us get this content out here. But more on the Z later, but there she is. It's going to be fun. We'll catch y'all soon.